Barracuda.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so fucking glad to be back, you little bitches. It's actually really scary how rough you look when you've no makeup on. What the fuck? I thought today we could just chill, chit chat, get ready with me. I think I'm gonna use some products that I haven't used in quite some time. Products I forgot about because I was cleaning up earlier. I've got like this full box of fucking makeup, actually 2 boxes. Full of makeup that I hate, don't use, maybe forgot about, moved on. So I thought it'd be a great idea just to go back, maybe pick out stuff and try it again, see why I stopped using it in the first place. Shall we just jump in, because I'm excited to start gossiping. The only thing is, I have run out of fake lashes and eyelash glue. I don't know how it happened. I think I just assume it's always going to be there and forget to check, like, do I need to restock these? Restock it as if it's a fucking shop. So I'm just going to take some Nivea Aftershave Balm just for my base because of the sticky situation. It helps the makeup stick to your face. Yeah, anything with glycerin in it. I feel as though glycerin is just such a sticky subject that it helps with makeup when it's like plastering it on. So I've only used this Anastasia, what is this again? Anastasia Beverly Hills Banana Stick Foundation. I used this before and I'm like, damn, that is way fucking too light. Now I've just read it, it's more of a highlight, I'm guessing. And I've also got this F3 by the Revolution foundation stick, which I haven't used in forever either because I didn't really think went well with my skin. My skin's too dry, but I'm gonna mix these two and see what we can come up with. If I look dead and overly pale, then it's just something we're gonna have to work with. I'll just overly bronze that, okay? Let's see. Okay, wow. Pale as a motherfucker. So now that I put those 2 stick foundations on, I'm just going to do a little spray of the Mari Badescu. I sort of want to make the foundations buff out a little bit more dewy. Does that make sense? I was at my cousin's the other day. She is a lesbian and before then I was like the only gay in the family, so she sort of stole my shine. But now our family has a lesbian and a gay, so I mean, what else can you ask for? Anyway, the point of that story is she is getting married and I'm doing the makeup for it. I was shit myself because my cousin's got this thing that I just found out about. This is why she needs me to do her face. She freaks out when people touch her face. Does anyone else know anyone like that? I've never heard of it before, I didn't know it was a thing. But she was holding her breath when I was trying to do her face and it was freaking me out. My hand's like, shit. And also, she really wants to be herself at her wedding. But I still contoured her, highlighted her, all that good stuff. And she loved it. I was shitting myself. I was waiting for her to go look in the mirror. And I'm like, oh my god, please, like, she's gonna freak out. And she screamed, oh my god, I am beautiful. And then like her face lit up. I totally understand now how these makeup artists say they love doing makeup because it can transform someone, give them this confidence and stuff. Like the look on Sheridan's face when she was looking in the mirror and seeing herself, it was like an amazing feeling. I want this to be a long video by the way guys. Anyway, yeah, so when people say, oh it's just makeup, it's really not. It can change someone's whole outlook, and even if they just feel so different for a couple of hours, like so much more confident and stuff for those couple of hours, it's so worth it. Because in some ways it is like a mask if you don't do this all the time. Like I do not wear this amount of makeup out. I mean, that's a lie. I did go see Trixie Mattel. I did for the first time wear a full eye out and stuff because it's Trixie Mattel, you've got to.
Ooh, God. Hi, I almost threw up. I'm fine. Trixie Mattel.
I thought I was going to be nervous, and I really wasn't. I was not giving a shit. I was out having a cigarette, don't smoke kids, and this girl at chick came up to me and was like, Scott McGoldrick? I'm like, yeah. She was like, oh my god, I used to go to your school. I love your makeup and stuff. She was so damn pretty. And now I'm so pissed off because I cannot remember because I was pretty drunk. So I can't remember her name or anything. Okay, these 2 foundations mixed together are not that bad. I also went and seen Midian and the Diamonds, but I feel as though I could not enjoy the show as much because they had no air conditioning or something. Everyone was sweating. I was pissing buckets and I had to go out for air every 5 minutes. I just really couldn't enjoy it. It was so annoying. Her new album is bomb as fuck. I did actually just buy this Wet n Wild concealer, so I'm gonna try this out. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer and it's in the colour Ivory, so I'm gonna try this out. But if it's too orange, I'm definitely gonna try the, oh no, it's not too orange at all. When your teachers tell you to highlight the most important areas. Right, I was going for a light base tonight. I was going for like a little cute look, that didn't require a lot of makeup, and now I'm fucking throwing this shit on. What the hell is happening? I feel as though I'm going from one topic to the other, guys. I do apologise. But I've been wanting to film a video. This is my third time filming, and I always say third time lucky because I do this all the time where I will set up the lights and everything, hit record, and I'm like, I can't bother recording now because my energy just goes down. Like, my moods are everywhere. This is the third time recording, and of course now I just want to keep talking and talking and talking. I tried to record twice this week so far and just nothing was coming out. So I think when I do my chit chat, get ready with me, sit down just like one-on-one with you guys, it makes me want to record videos. That makes sense. When it comes to tutorials per se, I don't think I'm meant to do tutorials, makeup tutorials. I think I'm made for just get ready with me's and chit chats and stuff where I am not focusing too much. I have no idea what I was talking about now. I am just going to take the RCMA No Colour powder just to set under my eyes. See, this is why I cannot say I'm doing a light makeup look because it just never goes light. I always pack that shit on. Oh my god, guys, I told everyone on Snapchat, but I haven't told you. I have just recently got into Schitt's Creek on Netflix. Third time lucky. Like, I tried numerous times and I just was like, didn't get it. But do you know what I think it is? It's the first season because you have to build character development and stuff. And I hate those parts of TV shows. From season 2 onwards, I much preferred it. So I think that's what was holding me back. But I fucking love Moira Rose. Does anyone else watch Schitt's Creek? So I'm gonna use this Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder. It's technically foundation, so I'm gonna use this to bronze. I'm really into bronzy skin these days. Never used to like it. I used to prefer blush, but now I'm really into that whole orangey glow. Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. That Too Faced is supposed to be a fixing, retouching thing as well. Bitch, look at that. Can you see that? What the f— I'm just gonna have to go over with like a lot of bronzers. I need to bronze up this skin anyway. It's looking way too pale. Oh, for fuck's sake. No wonder I stopped using this. Love it. This is why I stopped using this. Jesus Christ, look at the state of me. Oh my god. This video was a fail. I thought I was just gonna do like a cute little look. Please stand by while I try and fix this face. No fucking colour powder, you take the piss? No fucking colour powder? What the fuck? This powder's usually fine. All this stuff is usually, I mean, it's not this bad usually. I actually think it's the foundation base I've used because it did not mix well with other products. What the f— I'm just quickly taking this LA Girl Natural Cream Lip Liner here just to go over my lips because I hate when foundation and powders and stuff go on top and they look cracky as hell. Is it Raw Beauty Kirsty? Raw Beauty Kirsty? What's her name? Kirsty?
Raw Beauty Kirsty, aye.
She does it all the time. She never removes her foundation from her lips until the very end and it creeps me out. I hate people do that. James Charles done that as well, where they'd have like crusty bits in here.
Yeah, it's just crusty though.
It gives me the bulk. I'm gonna try this Revolution Lip Amplification. I have no clue what the fuck it is, but... Oh, that's like a liquid lipstick actually. I thought it was gonna be a lip gloss. Damn it. Oh, it's more like a lip cream. I'm gonna take this NARS. It's very dark, that's why I stopped using it. I'm just gonna take this lighter shade here and sort of bronze with it a little. It's actually okay for contouring. Okay, so I think I've bronzed up enough so far. I think once I add highlight and stuff, it will start to look a bit better. It was a shit show there for a second, wasn't it? That NARS actually worked out quite well there. Every time I add on something new to my skin, like a bronzer, blush or highlight, whatever, it doesn't matter, always press it all in together just so it all smooths in. So I just found this Revolution Ultra Metals eyeshadow palette. I think I'm going to try and use this, but there is no mattes in this, so I'm going to have to use another palette for the matte, for the transition first. I'm going to take the Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette just to hit the browns, I think. Just going to do this one right here. Doesn't really look that brown on camera. So do you guys believe Morphe should drop James Charles? This is the thing as well, I would not give Morphe my money at all because they have never been a brand to trust. Every bit of drama comes out, it's always with people they're affiliated with. And I don't know if they just do it on purpose. They know who's going to be problematic because it gets them in the news and stuff. Yeah, so I've never trusted Morphe as a brand because they really are just money grabbers, like most brands are, but they...
blatantly obvious about it.
Yeah, they're really too obvious about not caring about the consumers and stuff, and I just cannot be bothered with companies like that. If I don't feel any trust towards them, I'm not going to give them money, especially when they're affiliated with every problematic YouTuber out there.
That is a nice look you're talking about.
That's only this colour right here in this palette. These are amazing, these are so pigmented and they're only £4. Revolution really has stepped up his game up. Love this palette, it's one of my favourites, and for the price you cannot complain. I think I'm just going to add Metal from the Ultra Metals eyeshadow palette by Revolution again. Oh, that's a nice little colour. I don't know if it's picking up on camera though. I totally forgot I had these e.l.f. eyeshadow toppers basically. It is a molten liquid eyeshadow and this is in the colour Light Gold. I've not used these yet, so I don't know how they are. I want to see how it, oh Jesus, how it performs. Sometimes I feel as though eyeshadow toppers go so cracky and weird, so I'm very wary of them. Is that breaking up? See, look, it's literally whipped off the powder that was underneath. What the fuck? I'm just gonna take this gold here from the Soph X Revolution palette and put it on top. Okay, this was like just supposed to be a nice simple eye. Let's get more gold and more gold as I keep going. Ew. So I won't be using that eyeshadow topper by e.l.f. anytime soon. It's literally made my eyes go so weird. I'm actually gonna take a couple of these colours from the Ultra Metals palette to try and highlight my cheeks. Oh, it does. By the way, just because it's an eyeshadow does not mean you cannot use it as a highlight and stuff. Makeup is multi-purpose. Sometimes as well, eyeshadows are a much more pigmented highlighter and show up better on camera. I always put my highlight on before I go on with blush and another top of bronzer, just so it demures it a little bit more and blends into the skin. So I'm just going to take this to quickly contour with. Bit hardcore, yeah, bit hardcore, not only blended. Let's get rid of this fucking double chin. I actually like this lip liner. I don't know why I don't use it. LA Girl lip liner. It's like a nice natural, what is actually called natural cream. Okay, so let's contour that beak. Just got to do my eyebrows a little bit. I really can't be bothered with the brows tonight. So I'm just throwing this e.l.f. pencil over them quickly. I feel as though as I'm getting older, these white, not white, but like blonde ass hairs keep coming in my eyebrows. My eyebrows keep changing fucking colour to blonde. I just realised my battery's gone low, guys, so I'm just going to finish off the rest of the face off camera. I'm not going to be like, going to use anything you haven't seen. Just going to do my lips, wipe all this powder away and mascara and that's it. So let's cut to that, huh?
Still on camera, babe, so I think I have to stay married.
Before I colour my lashes, I always use a spray. I don't know why, I feel as though it clasps into the eyelashes a bit better and makes them curl a lot more. I'm just taking the Lash Sensational by Maybelline and quickly throwing on a bit of mascara. I'm not putting a lot on tonight because I cannot be bothered trying to take it all off. You would never believe after going to take all this off that I'm going out to cut the grass.
Good bitch.
Fucking bitch, man.
Fucking all over it, mate.
I'm a top now. Can we just talk about that glow? I am using that as a highlighter more often. Damn, bitch. I'm just going to do my lips now and then that's me. I totally forgot I had these. Fuck it, I'm going to use it because I haven't used a lipstick like this in so long. So, whoa. I was not expecting it to be that dark. Okay, this lip is not attractive, so I'm just gonna fucking... and then we're just gonna... If you can't make it work, if you fuck up, just go avant-garde. I'm not your typical beauty guru. I'm a cool beauty guru. This is the finished look, guys. This is me using products I totally forgot about. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe, like, and all that other bullshit. And they're here. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Love ya. I look fucking batshit right now.